Greetings, listeners. Masu sauraro barkamu da haka. Now, the final set, listeners, rukuni na ƙarshe, they contain only 8. And as you can see, they are double letters. Gwa, gwa, gya, gya, fa, fa, kwa, 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 kya, kya, sa, sa, sha, sha. Now, gwa, listeners, masu sauraro wannan sautin gwa, the sound gwa is a combination of ga and wa. When you see them together, you don't say ga and wa and wa. Idan kuka gansu a tare, kar ku ce ga da wa. You should say gwa. Now, secondly, na biyu, gya. Gya is a combination of ga and ya. But when you see them together, you say gya. Idan ko ga da ya a tare, sai ku ce gya. The next one is fa. When you see fa, this is a combination of fa and ya. But when you see them together, you say fa. Kwa. This is a combination of ka and wa. If you see them together, you say kwa. Next is kwa. Kwa. And I'm gonna need you not to get confused between kwa and kwa, because they don't sound the same. This is kwa, kwa, and this is kwa, kwa. Kwa is a combination of ka and wa. So if you see them together, you say kwa. Listeners, this is kya. Kya is a combination of ka and ya. When you join them together, idan ka hada su, sai ka ce kya. And now second to the last, sa. Sa. This is a combination of ta and sa. And you should say sa. And now listeners, here is the last one. Sha. Sha. Sha is a combination of sa and ha. If you see them together, you say sha. The effort is brought to you by Phenomenal Exercise Academy. Love you. Bye for now.